Hi guys, welcome to our channel Unheard Mysteries. On 15th June of 2015, something occurred on Indian city Puri, a temple named Jagannath. At midnight of 12, something had happened that got some researchers to scratch their heads. The government of that state ordered to cut off the electricity, but not just only of that area, but the whole city of Puri. Guys, you would be shocked to know what happened on that night was a group of people taking out the real heart of Lord Krishna from a wooden statue to shift to another wooden statue. It is believed that it is the real heart of Lord Krishna himself, and it is still the same since from 5000 years ago. Also, it is same because the heart was not made up of flesh and blood but a metal, and it looked like an ancient technology. People believe that the heart of Lord Krishna emits electrical energy, just like an arc reactor of Iron Man. Researchers say that when the heart of Lord Krishna interacts with some sort of lights, it forcefully vibrates. That's the reason why electricity was cut off in the city of Puri. The staff of that temple have to wear a high level of suit, helmet and gloves to escape the electrical energy emitting from the heart of Lord Krishna. To understand this mystery, we have to go back to thousands of years when Lord Krishna died. 5000 years ago, Lord Krishna died by the hand of a hunter who mistakenly thought a deer and did a big sin of killing Lord Krishna. But the hunter apologized for it and burned his body with rituals. But there's one thing that didn't burn, and that was his heart. He tried several times to burn, but couldn't. He even tried to sell, but failed, as no one was interested in it. At the end, the hunter placed the heart in a wooden box and left it on a river. Later, the wooden box reached to the kingdom of Puri. The king of Puri placed this heart in a wooden statue and kept it in the temple of Jagannath. Jagannath temple statue is the only statue in India that is made up of wood because wood works as a perfect insulator, so it won't get any risk to the worshippers. But the wooden statue have to be changed after every 12 years because in that period some amount of mercury comes out from the statue which can harm the people. Jagannath temple is one of the mysterious temple of the world. The flag on top of the temple is not an ordinary one. The flag waves towards the opposite direction of the wind. You won't even find any kind of bird flying or roaming around the temple. Not just only bird, even the flights are banned from flying above the temple because it may cause some serious problem like the engine may get off or the compass doesn't work. And the most interesting thing is that the Mahaprasad, which is food cooked for the worshippers, are cooked in a pot. 7 pots are placed on top of another. The pot which was on the topmost gets cooked first. The scientists are still searching, yet couldn't find any answer. Maybe it's all about the heart of Lord Krishna, which is a very advanced technology, like in the movie Iron Man. Maybe Lord Krishna himself was the Iron Man of very advanced ancient technology. We might never know the answer.